Do you feel like you can't get a freelance client because you have no experience, but you can't get experience because you have no clients? That's the trap almost every beginner falls into. And in this video, I'm going to show you exactly how to break out of it, step by step, even if you have 0 clients, 0 portfolio, and 0 experience right now. Because here's the truth. The freelancers making real money in 2026 are not the most experienced. They're the ones who figured out how to start before they felt ready. On this channel, we talk about real ways to make money online and take control of your finances, no matter where you're starting from. Subscribe if you're new, because every week I break this stuff down in a way that actually makes sense. Let's start with why freelancing is still one of the best opportunities in 2026, even for beginners. Businesses of every size are hiring freelancers instead of full-time employees because it saves them money and gives them flexibility. A small business that can't afford a $60,000 a year marketing employee can absolutely afford to pay someone $300 a month to manage their social media. That someone could be you. And here's what's changed in the last 2 years. AI tools have made it possible for a complete beginner to produce professional quality work in almost any skill area. Canva makes design accessible. CapCut makes video editing fast. ChatGPT helps with writing. The gap between beginner and professional has never been smaller. The barrier to entry is low, which means the only thing standing between you and your first freelance dollar is a decision. The biggest mistake beginners make is trying to offer everything at once. Writing, design, video, social media, all of it. That doesn't make you versatile, it makes you invisible. Clients hire specialists, not generalists. So pick one skill to start. Here are the easiest to learn fast in 2026. If you like writing, blog posts, video scripts, email newsletters, or ad copy are all in high demand right now. If you like visuals, social media graphics with Canva, YouTube thumbnail design, or logo design are skills you can learn in 2 to 3 weeks. If you like video, short-form editing for Reels and TikToks is one of the most in-demand skills on the market right now. Almost every business wants it, and very few people do it well. And if you don't feel creative, virtual assistance is perfect. Managing emails, organizing schedules, doing research, handling customer messages. It requires 0 creative skill, and businesses need it constantly. To choose, ask yourself one question. What have I already done, even informally, that other people found useful? You don't need to be an expert. You need to be one level ahead of the person hiring you. Once you've picked your skill, you have one job. Get good enough to deliver real results. Not perfect, just good enough to be useful. For almost any beginner freelance skill, 2 to 4 weeks of focused learning is all you need to start offering services. The best free resources right now: YouTube has full beginner to intermediate courses for literally every skill I just mentioned, completely free. HubSpot Academy has free certifications in content, email, and marketing. Meta and Google both offer free digital marketing courses that clients recognize and respect. Here's the approach that works best. Find 5 real businesses in your area or niche that have weak social media, bad thumbnails, or a poorly written website. Study what's wrong. Then fix one of them as a practice project. Don't send it to them yet, just do the work. That exercise alone will teach you more than 3 weeks of watching tutorials. Now here's how you break the no experience loop for good. You don't need a real client to build a portfolio. You need samples. And you can create samples right now, today, with 0 clients. If you want to be a thumbnail designer, pick 3 popular YouTube channels in any niche and redesign their worst performing thumbnail. Show the before and the after. That's your portfolio. If you want to be a copywriter, find a real brand with a weak homepage and rewrite it. Show both versions side by side. If you want to be a video editor, take free stock footage from Pexels or Pixabay and cut a 60-second reel. Post it. That's your demo reel. None of this required a client, but all of it proves you can do the work. Put these 3 to 5 samples on a free Notion page or a Canva website. Add a short 2-sentence bio and a way to contact you. That's your portfolio. You don't need anything more than that to land your first client. Most beginners build a portfolio and then wait for clients to come to them. That is not how it works, especially at the beginning. You have 3 options for finding your first client. Option 1 is freelance platforms. Fiverr and Upwork are the biggest. Contra is newer and has less competition. Great for beginners. Create a profile, write a clear description of what you offer, and apply to jobs consistently. Your first goal on these platforms is not money, it's reviews. Apply to lower budget projects, over-deliver, and collect your first 3 to 5 5-star reviews. Those reviews will do more for your freelance career than anything else at this stage. Option 2 is direct outreach. Find small businesses on Instagram or LinkedIn that have obvious weak spots. Bad graphics, no newsletter, low-quality videos. Send them a short, personal message offering to fix one thing for free or for a testimonial. That offer is almost impossible to say no to. Option 3 is your own network. Tell every person you know what you're now offering. Post about it on LinkedIn. Message your contacts. It feels awkward. Do it anyway. Most people's first freelance client is someone they already know or a friend of a friend. Once you land that first client, even a small one, treat it like your most important client ever, because it is. Deliver before the deadline. Communicate clearly at every step. And when the job is done, ask directly for a review. Say, if you're happy with the work, I'd really appreciate a short review. It helps me a lot as I'm building my profile. Most satisfied clients will say yes if you ask. After 3 to 5 reviews, raise your rates. After 10, raise them again. After 20, you can start being selective about who you work with. Freelancing is not luck. It's a system that compounds over time. The first client is the hardest. Every single one after that gets easier. Here's your entire roadmap in 30 seconds. Pick one skill. Learn the basics in 2 to 4 weeks. Build 3 to 5 samples without clients. Set your starting price. Find your first client through platforms, outreach, or your network. Deliver great work, collect reviews, and raise your rates. That's the whole system. No courses to buy, no certifications required, just start. Tell me in the comments, which skill are you thinking of starting with? I read every comment and I'll give you a specific tip based on what you choose. If this video helped you, leave a like and subscribe. See you in the next one.